Hey guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I am standing on a trade-in we just received. It's a great looking boat. It's a 2011 Sea Ray 270 SLX. It is in great shape, like I said, perfect interior. It does have carpet in the boat as well. We're cleaning it right now, so don't worry, that comes with it. You got a nice sink and bar area right here. This boat is equipped with the V8 big block engine, MerCruiser. Does have captain's call exhaust. Big giant ski locker. Good looking simple helm here. All your switches. Sony stereo system as well. Like I said, only 181 hours. This boat is equipped with a pump out head. Bolster seating on both of your captain's chairs. Nice head unit there for the passenger to control the radio too. Lots of seating in this boat. Tons of area to hang out with your friends and family. Coming through the boat a little bit more, you've got a nice big bow area. All storage underneath all this, of course. And this boat is equipped with a table either in the bow or the cockpit area. And this boat is equipped with a snap-on cover as well. So great looking boat, service is all done, ready for the lake. Give us a call or come by our showroom and check this boat out. We look forward to talking to you.